Meet the Russell Hobbs Food Collection electric carving knife with powerful 120 watts and a 203mm stainless steel serrated blade, perfect for slicing through cooked meat and bread with ease. Its comfort grip handle, safety features and dishwasher-safe blades make carving safe, quick and mess-free. You have the purchase link in the video description and in the pinned comment. Meet the Daewoo electric carving knife, the ultimate kitchen gadget that slices through meats, frozen foods, and bread effortlessly thanks to its durable twin stainless steel blades. Its ergonomic design, safety features, and easy cleanup make it perfect for any home chef. You have the purchase link in the video description and in the pinned comment. Looking for an easy, fast way to slice meat, bread, and cheese? The Haushof 8-volt cordless electric knife is your perfect kitchen buddy. With a high-capacity battery, speeds up to 2800 revolutions per minute, and an LED light for perfect cuts, it's ideal for home or outdoor use. You have the purchase link in the video description and in the pinned comment. Say goodbye to tough slicing with the Tower 120 electric knife. With just one touch of a button, it effortlessly cuts through vegetables, bread, cooked meats, and more. Its ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable grip, and the stainless steel blades guarantee perfect slices every time. Plus, it comes with a sleek storage case. You have the purchase link in the video description and in the pinned comment. Meet the Wahl James Martin electric carving knife, a powerful 150-watt tool that effortlessly slices through meats, bread, and even frozen foods. With two stainless steel blades, standard for roasts and poultry and coarse for tough meats and frozen items, plus a soft grip handle and safety features, this knife makes food prep safer and easier. You have the purchase link in the video description and in the pinned comment. Meet the Quest Fofi Viewer Fire 9 electric serrated carving knife, a must-have for effortless slicing of turkey, beef, chicken, ham, bread and veggies. With 120 watts of power, a lightweight design, and a quick-release stainless steel blade, it's quiet, safe, and easy to clean, perfect for holiday feasts and Sunday lunches. You have the purchase link in the video description and in the pinned comment. Discover the HYQNG cordless electric carving knife, featuring two 8-inch serrated stainless steel blades and a powerful 8-volt motor that slices through meats, bread, fruits, and vegetables with ease. Lightweight, rechargeable, and easy to clean, it's perfect for effortless, precise cuts indoors and outdoors. You have the purchase link in the video description and in the pinned comment.